Hey, Brian and Aiden from Garage Mahal. Say hi. Hi. So we have COCO&Friends, a dinosaur backpack toy set. Yeah. Pretty cool. Roar. Are you gonna roar for us? So let's get this out. And that is the bag. Whoa. Oh, look at that. It's like a play set. It's like a play mat. So that is the play mat in a backpack. Pretty cool. So let's find the zippers on the side. Let's see what we get inside. Oh my goodness. There's a little book in here. Oh, it's not a book. It's a bunch of cards with all the different dinosaurs on them. Pretty cool. Okay, let's open these up. Pretty neat. Then that's your play set. What do you think? It's pterodactyl. It's your T-Rex. I don't know. Triceratops. Rawr. Brontosaurus. Stegosaurus, Paleosaurus, I think. There's a rock. There's another rock. Got some plants. Got some palm trees. Look at all this stuff. What an awesome looking set. Comes with the playmat, the backpack which you can use to store all these in and other stuff. Comes with all these kind of like cards describing. Oh, and on the back it has all the information about each, like Tyrannosaurus Rex. Length about 40 feet, height 15 to 20 feet, weight as much as 9 tons. So it's a good way to identify all these. So that'd be a match for him. But what do you think? Pretty cool? All right, Brian and Aiden and the dinosaurs from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching and be safe out there. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.